Hello and Namaste. Welcome to your daily horoscope by Krishna Astrologer. First of all, it's Aries. Try to make maximum use of your mental capacities today. It will go a long way in helping to build your career. You may receive some good information concerning your children. Maintain a loving attitude towards them. Taurus. You should avoid driving vehicles or take every care while driving today. People will construct their opinion over your negative aspects today and not the positive ones. In other words, public opinion may be against you to some extent. Gemini, you may get money from an unexpected sources. If you have been waiting for something for a while, try a little harder to get it, and there is every possibility of success. Cancer, you will enjoy happiness in your family life today. There is a possibility of a financial gain. Efforts made in this direction may yield fruitful results. Leo, you are advised to closely review all your surroundings and make improvements, if any. Protect your head from injuries. The smoke color will be lucky for you today. Virgo, you may be a victim of excessive expenditure. Try to control it, otherwise these expenses may land you in bankruptcy. Stick to timely food or else your health may go down. Libra, you may receive a gift from some quarter today. A pending work of yours may be restarted this day. You will enjoy the bliss of family life. This day will be suitable for getting pleasure through romantic relationships. Scorpio, today people will be full of praises for your virtues and will appreciate your positive aspects. You may be able to ascertain your work trends and business requirements this day. You may apply or appear for interviews in connection with getting a job this day. Sagittarius, this day will be favorable from the viewpoint of arriving at various decisions, starting new projects, sale and purchase of materials, taking up travels, etc. Never allow yourself to get irritated and avoid disputes this day. Capricorn, you should not take any important decisions today or start any new projects. Also avoid purchase of materials. Lead a simple life and avoid getting into troubles. Avoid meeting unknown people and going to unknown places today. Aquarius, examine your life partner and associates. Analyze your behavior towards them and vice versa, and try to understand them better. This day will be spent happily and peacefully. Pisces, although there is possibility of you passing this day peacefully, yet there will be a cloud of difficulty hovering over you today. You should not be over-enthusiastic in your approach and commit a mistake, or take up any risky business today. Thank you.